I want to alter this Kcup holder design so that I can do different elements on it. The original SVG had a snowflake design, which is very pretty, but really only good in the winter months. I want to be able to use this for other holidays. So what I'm first going to do is click on this, and I can see that everything is grouped together. I can tell that because the group button is grayed out. So I'm going to ungroup things. So be careful now that you've ungrouped, because you could move the score lines separately from the base cut, and then things won't line up nice. So do this with caution. Okay, so now for my piece, I am going to, after I fold this all up, I'm going to just put the decoration here. So I don't really need this double front piece. This is more if you want to do an insert. So I'm going to use contour and just turn off that piece and the little dot that goes with it. Okay, so now I can see that where this little bump happens, that this bottom of that bump is going to be where the top part of this folded box hits. So basically I want to slice off this top half so I can put my own design up here. So I'm going to use a shape, and I'm just going to insert a square. Then I'm going to unlock it to make it a rectangle. And just place that over the top portion of this design so I can slice it off and add my own elements. I like to select my items from the layers panel, so I'm going to click on the rectangle here, hold the shift key down, and click on the main piece. So now I only have two things selected. Why am I selecting from the layers panel? Good question. If I would have selected like this, you can see I've selected three things, and slice won't turn on if I have three things selected. So that's why I'm selecting over here directly from the layers panel and holding down my shift key to select a second thing. And now slice will turn on. So now I'm going to remove the things I do not need. And now I want to take this entire piece and arrange it and send it to the back because I want the score lines on top. So now I want to add something to the top of this. I'm thinking a rainbow for a St. Patrick's Day. So what I'm going to do is type in rainbow, or you could go find a rainbow SVG file to do this with. I'm going to just look at the images that I've purchased or that are free. I think I'm going to use this one. I'm going to add that to my canvas. So if I wanted the entire top of this to be a rainbow, I also want a piece that will connect back to the base piece so that the rainbow kind of sits on top of it. So I am going to click on this whole rainbow and use the offset to add that background piece to fill the whole thing. Right now it's filling in and looking, and let's maybe make it a little bit smaller of an offset. You can see the preview of that offset with that blue outline. And and I'm going to go apply. So I want the black piece that is now the offset to be the same color as my main base piece. So I'm going to go to the color sync area and just slide that black to the blue. So now I'm going to just scooch this whole thing over just a little bit more so it lines up better with the top. Oh, I think I like that. So now I want to join that blue piece of the rainbow to the blue piece of the cup holder box because I want them to be all one continuous piece. So I'm going to select this blue piece, hold down my shift key, select the second blue piece, and weld. Weld will join anything that is touching into one thing. And you can see now it's one big cut. So now I'm going to arrange and send that backwards. Let's send it all the way to the back. There we go. So now when I fold this all up, there'll be this little rainbow above my Kcups. And on the front of this, I'm going to put top of the morning, or you could use this for a non-St. Patrick's Day thing and just hope your day is bright and filled with sunshine and rainbows. Whatever, make up your own saying. It will cut out this little arc in here. If you wanted that filled in, you could use contour and just fill that in. So this is how you could take an SVG file that you see and alter it and then add your own elements to it. Before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I love to hear from you.